my fidgets. So I'm gonna put. So you're not gonna really see my face because you guys are gonna see how much fidgets I got. Got a lot. So I'm gonna push them to the side. We're gonna use them one by one. So first one is this one. I made this one. It's stretchable. So you could stretch it. You could swirl it. So that one's one. And for Christmas is this one. Santa Claus. Then I got another Christmas one, which is this. So I'm gonna fix the camera so you guys can see me doing it. Move my mom. How's all that she's making. So you have to try to get this ball into here. Ah. Ah. Ah, so close. Ah, so close. As you guys can tell, I'm not that good with this. So, this aside, now I got this thing, which I really like this thing. Whoa. That piece fell off. They're really easy, but when you take them off, they're still kind of like fidgets. Let's see that. Squish it too. Now for my next one, I got this one. It's a squishy little macaroons. They have no faces here, so they're pink, purple, and blue. As you can tell, I've been using it a lot because it's kind of messy. It's kind of falling off. So I'm gonna tape it. But this one's kind of bad. So I'm gonna do another one. I bet a lot of you guys know what these are. Which I have another one right here, smaller. Now I got, I'm saving one of my favorites, but now I got these blocks. Now I got a fidget spinner. It used to glow, but it's not working anymore. Ah, what's up? Hello, Monroe. There's my doggy. She likes to lay on blankets. See, there she is. She's so cute. Okay, got this one. It's like a squishy football. Now I got another squishy that's just a star. It's kind of harder. Then I got this little fish. And then I got these two. They have like these little tiny like Orbeez. See, this one's an elephant. This one's like a llama or giraffe. I don't know. This one has orange. This one has yellow. And I got this pink pig. It's really face is so cute. Okay, got this little birdie. It's purple. Favorite. Finra's looking at the camera. And then we got these. And these I just got today. They're little pugs. They're squishies. Now my favorite one are these. And it says they're so sticky, I gotta put them in here. They're really hard to get out. Oh, I guess I'll just get out these two because the rest are not gonna come out. I love doing this, guys. Normally comes out. Ah, it's not working. I love doing that. Okay, so let me show you something. So you guys see that wall? They stick. Oh no. Stick. So I'll do them again. I'll go get more now. I got some more. Trying to get them out this time. Come out. Got some others. Got them. Okay, I'm gonna stick them up, down. Wait, this. Oh no! Stop going on the beanbag. Got 4 more. Those are all of them. Off from again. Oh, this one landed low. That's all of them. Now I'm going to throw one more time. Okay, got them all again. I'm going to throw. Guess what color I'm going to throw first? And I lost this tooth today and this one yesterday. Okay. What? Did you guys guess green? Now guess my second one. Did you guys guess pink? Now guess my third one. Did you guess yellow? Guess my fourth one. Did you guess blue? Guess the fifth one. Did you guess orange? Guess the sixth one. Did you guess blue? Now the seventh one you don't need to guess because I haven't done purple, so got them all. Okay, gotta put them back in here. Oh goodness, I lit with. So now I'm gonna do one thing one more time, which is this, because I haven't tried it. Huh. Oh, so close. Oh, I made it, guys! Let's try again. Okay. No. Ah. I made it another time, a second time.
I'll work my hand out to my match. The last time the pump's gonna be here.
Nolan, what are you doing?
Nothing.
Let's see if I can make it third time. No. Goodness, why can't I make it a third time? can't make it, but happy Thanksgiving. Bye.